15 Best DIY Bookshelf Ideas. When it comes to bookshelves, there's no doubt they serve two important purposes in your home. The first is pure functionality. They help get things organized, reduce clutter, and give you a sense of peace when you have a place to store and find your things. The second, of course, is a design purpose. Of course, when you decorate your home, you wouldn't just store, read, display your belongings in boring or unattractive methods. Nothing beats a great-looking or interesting bookshelf as a design piece. In fact, awesome bookshelves go a step further and become complementary pieces to other decor items. We don't just store books on bookshelves, right? This makes shelving a central decor item in any home. Before going into the video, discover the world's largest database of 16,000 woodworking projects with step-by-step plans, even if you don't have a large workshop or expensive tools. Click the first link in our description to get access to the plans. Now let's get into today's video. Check out these 15 DIY bookshelf ideas to inspire you enhance both your organizational and home decor. 1. Plumbing pipes bookshelves. Iron piping you can find at any Home Depot or Lowe's. The best part is this rustic black color is how these pipe come. Cut pieces evenly to keep it all simple, screw together and mount on the top and bottom, and enjoy your new corner bookshelf that will be a talking piece with every visitor to your home. 2. Spine bookshelf. It's modern, unique and works with rustic decor too. They say it's like sculpture hanging from your wall. The best part is it's easier to make than you first think. 3. Wall-mounted ladder bookshelf. There really are 1,000,001 ways to repurpose old ladders. Here's a nifty way if you have a decent-sized library of books but don't want a big piece of furniture like a bookcase. 4. Wood and brick stackable shelf. Can you imagine this bookshelf style in the same room as a matching brick fireplace? This one is so cool, but of course make sure you anchor it well to the wall. 5. Invisible magic bookshelf. Talk about minimalism when it comes to floating shelves. This trick actually works and keeps you staring for a minute. Add several of these across a large wall, or fill in little wall spaces in a small place. This one is super easy to do too. 6. Tree trunk for books. If you like woodsy decor, this one is definitely for you. A centerpiece that is so inviting for avid readers. 7. Toscana rustic shelves. One of the best DIY bookshelf ideas out there, but an excellent way to get a nice looking and sturdy bookshelf put together quickly with minimal effort. 8. Industrial pipe shelves. Another great way to use pipes for shelving. These have been popular for a while now, and certainly a timeless style that will be around for a long time. 9. DIY hanging skateboard bookshelf. An old skateboard without wheels isn't much on its own. But add some rope and some cool anchors hanging from a wall and you have one of the most creative DIY bookshelf ideas out there. 10. Industrial freestanding bookshelf. A DIY modern twist to a bookshelf, literally. This one is a nice combo of wood and metal for a classic industrial approach. 11. Leather belt wall shelves. An ingenious way to use leather belts. Cut to size, secure to the wall and add your ledges for another unique DIY bookshelf. 12. Distressed shelf that spells home. You bet you're going to pay hundreds of dollars for this type of shelf from a catalog store. But ask yourself, is it really that hard to spell the word home in a home-themed DIY shelving project? It isn't. 13. The tree DIY bookshelf. Artsy meets books. If you don't like your world to be so symmetrical and have a little surprise to it, this tree bookshelf is the way to go. 14. Easy to build crate shelves. Another classic DIY bookshelf idea. So simple, yet so lovely in nearly any decor style. And it doesn't get any cheaper or easier to make either. 15. Repurposed metal basket bookshelves. We've seen more and more of these the last couple of years. They can hold a lot of things, but books work great. Make them removable, and you can lift off a basket and be on your way for a lazy afternoon reading session with your favorite current books. And don't forget to check out Earth's largest collection of 16,000 woodworking projects by clicking the first link in our description. If you like the video, then make sure to hit that like button. Also, if you want more woodworking tutorials, please consider subscribing our channel for more contents every day. Thank you for watching and let me know what you think of this video in the comments below.